right, so we made it to the beach here in Cancun.
Yes.
This is what is this? Ballena Beach?
Playa Ballena.
Playa Ballena.
Which means whale beach. It's a public beach access that's right in between all the hotels. Because we're staying in an Airbnb with that hotel access. It's actually a really nice beach. When I saw the photos, I was kind of like, eh. But it's actually really nice, and the sand is awesome, which is great because today was Alaska's first time playing with the sand.
Definitely is. Can't wait to go to Isla Mujeres. That's going to be a lot of fun.
We came all the way to Puerto Juarez because it's less than half the price, and it runs more often. So over here it runs every half hour. From the hotel zone it runs every hour. So that's the ferry right there. It's a short 15-minute ferry ride, and we have a sleepy baby.
We made it on the ferry.
Here we go.
Oh, baby.
We are Cozumel, Isla Mujeres ready. This is the same ferry you take to Cozumel, that's why.
Yeah, it looks very much the same, even the form. We're finally moving.
Yay!
Here we go. Made it. Okay, apartments. Beautiful. So awesome, right? No, baby.
Here we are.
So today we're going to Playa Norte, and we got the fam bam. We're gonna take a taxi over there because it's far away, and that's the main avenue. Big avenue actually. Hey, what's over there on that side? We're gonna have to look. But yeah, no, so far
It's right there.
everything's been amazing thanks to K Apartments and all the awesome people that take care of that place. And here we go. Yeah.
Isla Mujeres is awesome. Awesome possum. Did you get her feet in? Oh no. Alaska Louise. Were you not a fan? Is it too cold for you?
A little too cold.
Papa, why are you rude? Look at this beautiful water. It's a little cold, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. I won't do that. It's cold. It's December 10th, I think, or somewhere around there, and it's cold. But it is so beautiful. This baby over here does not like the cold water at all. Which I understand. No, she likes water. Alaska. My favorite time of the day. Eloise, ching, 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 ching. It's a baby girl, ching, 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 ching. That I love so much, ching, 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 ching. All over the world, bum, bum, bum.
Is poblano stuffed pepper. We have breakfast quesadilla and looks like
They're French toast.
French toast pancakes. That's what it looks like anyway. but this is amazing. Amazing. Mango cafe. Oh look, there's something on the can. Mango cafe. No coronavirus here, that's for sure. So this is what the beach looks like over here in Isla Mujeres. This is the other side of the beach, other side of the island where it's a little bit more turbulent, but very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Water. My goodness. Well, there's corals too. Apparently on this side, the corals are feeling the pressure of the buildings and whatnot, so they're starting to fall. So you got to be really careful. But other than that, my goodness, look at that. We're here in Playa Tiburon, just hanging out. We're probably gonna stay here until sunset, just to hang out and not move so much.
We came thinking it was gonna be just like a small, like, you know, hour or something. Okay, sorry, the sun is right in front of me, I can't see. Okay, we came thinking it was gonna be like, you know, like an hour. And then it was really nice, we decided to stay. And then as soon as we decided to stay for like the day, a bunch of boats, which you can see right there. They all came with like 75,000 people, and we're like, coronavirus! But we came to the corner, and lots of prayer.
A lot of people came, like unexpectedly, like out of nowhere, like if you know, like there was a happy hour and the last happy hour on earth, and everybody and their mom started coming. That's exactly how it happens. But other than that, it's been a pretty amazing day here in Playa Tiburon. We got some pictures in. The baby went into the water. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
So
just a feet though.
Just a feet, you know.
It's a little cold.
It's definitely. You know what? That's one thing that's surprising is that I mean it is December and I expect it to be a little cold, but it was. The water's been actually a little bit colder than I would like. I mean, obviously
and
not.
Even for the locals, they were telling us that it's unlikely for it to be this. It's very windy.
Yeah.
And the temperature of the water is a little cold.
Global warming, y'all. Global warming.
Hi, baby. Hi, my love. Are you having fun? Oh, she's having so much fun. She looks like she has a crown. Do you have a crown? And are you playing with Papa and his hair? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. And Mama's already drowning because your Mama's a shorty panties. Are you having the funnest time? I thought you hated the water, but look at you. You just want to be ridden around. Do you have your own water horse?
Alright, this is the crew. What's up, Dream Team? Alright, what's up, Dream Team? Dream Team over here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's up? What's up, Luca? How you doing, dude? Alright.
I came in here, I took her carrier off, and I had my boob out entirely. I was like,
Got a live animal. Hello. Hi, Breedy. How are you, my love? Oh my goodness. What's going on?
Alaska's first time at the beach where she can actually enjoy. Alaska.
Let her go. Look at her go.